Hello! Ryan RCD! Thank you so much. This is your request. Pork adobo with chicken. Ayan. So I put some, English for, English please. I put small amount of vinegar. Wow, so very delicious. Thank you, Ryan or City. I have a special viand for today. Pork chicken adobo, sponsored by Ryan or City. Thank you so much, Ryan, for your kindness. Thank you so much. I have a delicious viand for today. Wow. Ayan, di ko na mapigilan. Talagang kakain na talaga ako. Wow. So, very delicious viand for today. Thank you, Ryan or City. Mm. Yan, ang ingay sa labas. Merong mga pa-iskay-iskay. Chicken wings, adobo. Chicken wings, Ryan or City. Thank you. Mm. 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 Wala ng arte-arte. Ayan, ang ingay kasi sa labas, kaya hindi ako makapag-concentrate. Grabe ang ingay nila. Ay, pero, hindi tayo pakabog. Talagang kakain tayo. Dahil ito ay bigay ni Ryan or City. Sa kanila. Thank you so much sa aking sponsor, Ryan or City. Thank you very much. Ang ingay naman nila. Parang ano ba to? Nawawala yung concentrate ko. Ang daming anak-anak. My favorite part of chicken is wings only. Hala nga sila dyan. Mag-iingay sila dyan. Mga promotion sa ano? May background music pa tayo. Ako, Ryan or City, where is my diet? Ay, Ginoo. Thank you so much, Ryan or City, for sponsor my lunch today. So very delicious variant. Medyo maanghang yung sili natin ngayon. Bumalik pa ang bayan. Kuha tayo ng something maiinom. Ryan or City, this is a Coke Zero. Ryan, my diet, my diet. Oh, Ryan. Anghang ng sili? Tawag na naman. So, ayan, Ryan. My stomach is very full. Thank you, Ryan or City. Sa aking sponsor for today. Thank you so much. Hindi ko na talaga kaya, Ryan. Yan. Thank you. Madami pa akong gulay. For dinner. Thank you so much. Ayan, papasalamat ako kay Ryan or City sa pag-sponsor niya sa aking mukbang, chicken pork adobo. Thank you so much, Ryan. So very kind, Ryan. Thank you so much. Hindi ko na kaya, Ryan. I'm so very, stomach full na talaga. Sorry. I have so many pa. Thank you so much. Ang dami pa doon sa, in my, I have so many pa, Ryan. Oh, I have so many pa. I have so many pa, oh. So, in the evening, morning, and the other day, I have a delicious Viant chicken pork adobo. Sponsored by Ryan RCD. Thank you so much, Ryan. Oh. Thank you so much. And I will give to Aling Nora my chicken pork adobo for Aling Nora. Thank you so much, Ryan. Ayan, good morning. Good morning, Mr. Ryan or City. Oh, this is a pork chicken adobo. Wow. And this is a cousin of litos. Litos din to, kaso lang hindi siya yung medyo siya. Ano bang tawag dito? Hindi ko pero basta litos din siya. Wow, Ryan. So very masarap na. So very delicious, Ryan. Thank you so much. Wow. Very delicious na. So, ay mukbang. Thank you so much, Ryan. Wow, first time. This is a first time mukbang with sponsor Ryan or City. Ala, asa na? Wow. 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 So very delicious, yes. So very delicious. I have Ryan or City. Thank you so much. Pork chicken adobo. And I put carrots, my favorite. Oh, within 30 minutes, mukbang for Ryan or City. Thank you, Ryan. Mama. Bibigyan ko si Aling Nora ngayon ng tanghalian. Yan, meron siyang chicken adobo. Thank you for Ryan or City. Bibigyan din natin si Aling Nora. Diba? Ayun, si Aling Nora, oh. Aling Nora, oh, tanghalian mo. Yan. May kutsara ka ba dyan? Ha? Meron? Okay. Oh, kain ka na. May tubig ka pa. May tubig ka pa dyan? May kutsara ka? Ayun. Pasalamat ka kay Ryan or City.
Sino pong Ryan?
Yung nagbigay nung pork adobo. Ryan or City?
Ryan Matias.
Oh, Ryan.
Salamat po sa binigay niyo pagkain sa akin.
Okay.
Yung isda.
Bukas bili tayo isda. Ha? Bili tayo isda. Kasi request kasi niya, chicken pork adobo kasi. Sige, kain ka na. Ayan. Kakain na si Aling Nora. Ayan, bigyan din natin si Rosie sa ulam ni Ryan or City. Thank you, Ryan. Ayan, my neighbor. Bigyan ko rin siya. Ayan. So, I have tonight and then tomorrow. Tomorrow lunch. Ayan. Bigay natin kay Rosie, bigyan kitang ulam. Galing yan kay Ryan or City.
Thank you po, Mr. Ryan. Ay, Ryan na ba pa?
Oo.
Ryan ano pilido?
Or City.
Or City. Thank you po. Yun lang, ganun lang.
Okay lang. Oh. At least nakapag thank you.